friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel. For today's video, I'll be doing unboxing. I'm so excited to wear this. It's the shoes that I purchased from this brand. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this myself. I like wearing slippers in the house, and also some of my shoes, they don't have arch support, and I have this kind of slippers because in the Philippines we're used to wearing this kind of slippers in the house or anywhere we go, and it feels comfortable. I don't like walking barefoot in the house. We have a wood floor and it feels like it's something sticking to your, to your feet. I don't like that. This one doesn't have a arch support. I was searching online and see if I can find a for the house slipper, and I found this one. It says Walk Hero, and this is a slipper, and I'm gonna show it to you guys pretty quick. I also purchased slip-on shoes. I wear a size 5. I hope this one fits because that's my size. So let's open this package and also this box. So anyway, if you're watching this video and new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new uploaded videos. If you're into shoes, guys, so you better watch this video till the end. And I'm gonna show you the shoes and the slippers that I bought. I really like how they put it in this plastic or this bag because it feels like, it's secure or something. You can also wear this outside. I want to feel, my feet feel comfortable, that it don't hurt my feet. So let's try this one. I ordered one on Amazon, and then it's thick, but it's kind of velvety, the one that you step on, and it's warm. So I don't know, and it's thick and heavy, so I've been wearing it for I don't know how many months now. I like it, especially that now it's getting cold. We're close to winter. I know it's still fall, but it probably will help my feet a little bit warmer. Here it is. I like this color. I see that there's arch support. I have small feet. I think this one is adjustable. There's a Velcro there. Yeah, you can adjust it whatever you feel comfortable. I like it. I'm going to try this one. I can wear this outside, but I'd rather wear this inside the house. Also, right here, there's a little, dip right there. It's not, this one doesn't, look flat because of the style and the design of this slipper is different than this regular, slipper right here. This one is okay. We'll see when I try it. And the next one that I'm going to show you is the shoes. It says good shoes inside. Ooh, okay. I can't wait. Here it is. Yay. I like the color and the style of the shoes. That's why I bought it. Right here, a logo. And I like the design. There's also arch support. What else? And there is a name right here on the side. And it says, well, I can't read it. I don't have my glasses. It's a cursive. The inside, it's really pretty. Gecko Man, that's what it says inside of this, the insole. I can't wait to wear this outside. I know the color is purple and it's a catchy color too. So if I will wear this, they might say, "Ooh, you got purple shoes." I like the style and the color, so it's me. I'm gonna show you how the shoes and the slipper, looks like, and if it feels comfortable or not.
For losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust and reason frame.
So I tried the shoes. This one, it feels comfortable and right here it's not narrow, it's wide. You can wear this with any kind of outfits, guys, like shorts or, you know, good for summer like that. Yeah, I really like this one, and it fits perfect. This slipper right here, there's a Velcro, so I just, you know, adjust this one to that feels not too tight and not too loose either, just right. So I adjusted that. I can wear this in the house. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below, and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Mwah.